Welcome to Quick Tale English. Today's story is about a girl, her neighbor, and a cat, Maeve and Mittens. Maeve is a kind girl. She is 7. Maeve has a blue backpack. The backpack is big. Maeve likes her bag. Her neighbor is Mr. George. Mr. George lives near Maeve. Mr. George has a cat. The cat's name is Mittens. Mittens is orange. Mittens is a happy cat. One day, Maeve is playing outside. She sees Mr. George. Mr. George is sad. He stands near his door. Maeve walks to the door. "Hello, Mr. George. Are you happy?" Maeve asks. Mr. George is sad. "No, Maeve. Mittens is gone. I cannot find my cat. I call his name, but no Mittens." Maeve is sad too. "Oh no," Maeve says. "We find Mittens. I help you." Mr. George looks worried. "I look near the tree. I look behind the big bush. He is not there." "Okay," Maeve says. "We look more." Maeve starts the search. She looks in the small flower pots near the house. "Meow, meow," Maeve calls. No Mittens. Mr. George looks too. He looks in the mailbox. He looks under the welcome mat. No Mittens there. They walk around the house. They look for a long time. Maeve is tired. Mr. George comes to Maeve. "Mittens is not here," says Mr. George. "I am very sad." Maeve feels sad too. She wants to go home. She turns around. She feels a bump on her back. It is her blue backpack. The backpack is heavy. "Wait, Mr. George," Maeve says. "My backpack is heavy. Why?" She takes her big blue backpack off. The bag falls on the grass. The bag moves. Wiggle, wiggle. Maeve and Mr. George look at the bag. They hear a small noise. Meow, meow. Maeve smiles. She knows this noise. She opens the zipper slowly. Pop! Mittens is inside the big blue bag. He is happy. He was sleeping inside. Maeve laughs. "You silly cat! You were in my bag. When did you go inside?" Mr. George is so happy. He laughs loudly. "Mittens! Thank you, Maeve!" Mr. George hugs Mittens. Mittens is safe. Maeve feels good. She puts her empty backpack back on. Thank you for joining Quick Tale English. Subscribe for more simple and fun stories. See you next time.